baptism makes us children of God, and confirmation strengthens us with the Spirit. What we receive of confirmation is like moving from childhood to adult in the spiritual.
Yeah. That's why the confirmation, the ritual of confirmation, as what I've said earlier, the bishop will tell you, receive the power of the Holy Spirit. Hoping that as we receive the power of the Holy Spirit, our decisions in life will be guided always by the power of the Holy Spirit. Okay, di ba, bata pa ka, as you grow old, you are able to learn what is good and what is right. And you have the choice to do what is good and what is right. When I need to ask the position of the Holy Spirit, invoke the Holy Spirit, so that your intentions, your motivations, your actions, your decisions will be guided for the well-being sa kaiwan sa imo, sa tanan. Okay?
The gifts of the Holy Spirit are often listed such as wisdom, understanding, counsel, fortitude, knowledge, piety, and fear of the Lord. But how do they differ from natural talents or virtues to develop on our own?
Okay. All those that we have, greatness is God's gift to us. Those gifts that we have, every day, we need to invoke the power of the Holy Spirit to strengthen the gifts that we receive from the Holy Spirit. We need to invoke the power of the Holy Spirit, as what we mentioned, the gifts of the Holy Spirit. Why? Because every now and then, there's always the power of the bad spirit. And the power of the bad spirit can only be countered by the Spirit, the Holy Spirit. Every day, kamo invoke the power of the Holy Spirit. Okay, every day, we encounter temptation, like dinimove sila, like mag-entertain ng mga negative thoughts. The moment the bad spirit will come into our mind, but malaman yung bad spirit na siya, okay, anything that will not bring good to us, to others, comes from the bad spirit. When we encounter them by invoking the Holy Spirit to strengthen those gifts that we receive from Him during our confirmation.
In what sense does confirmation complete baptism? Does it make us more responsible for our faith, or more empowered to live it publicly?
They don't complete each other, but the sacraments is a sacred sensible sign instituted by Christ to give us His grace. So in that sense, there's no competition there. That's what I've said earlier during the first question. It's not more competition, but it's strengthening the grace that we receive in the baptism. Ang grasya nga nadawat nato sa bunyag, mas likonon pa panahon sa atuang kumpirma. That's kumpirma na ba mo? Ang uban wala pa na kuan. Ini yung sera nga di pa kuan ang form or ritual sa during the confirmation, the bishop will tell you receive the power of the Holy Spirit and the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So again, they don't compete, but they help each other to strengthen the grace of God and us.
How can we recognize the gifts of the Holy Spirit at work in everyday life? Are these signs or clues that show the level of confirmation is active?
The moment you do good things, you recognize, you realize the presence of the Holy Spirit. But when you decide for bad things, you also recognize that this bad thing is not really coming from the Holy Spirit. Because the Holy Spirit, as what I've said earlier, this will guide us, helps us to do what is good, to avoid what is evil. Muna ko, bantayan niyo. Muna ko gusto itong sing absent where lihok ito sa daw tayong spirito.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First question is, in your own perspective, how do you explain the sacrament of sanctification?
Sacrament of confirmation. The grace that we receive in our baptism, strengthened by the grace that we receive in the walak nga pagkasulti, ang grasya nga itong nadawat sa bunyag, mas gilikon pa yun sa gasa sa grasya sa konfirmasyon at pagkadawaton after our baptism. We know that the baptism is a good way to all sacraments, but again, ang kanina sa Ginoo, tungkol kay He knows our limits, He knows our weakness. After our baptism, balo siya nga sa atong pagtubo, dahil mga panahon nga maluyat at masala. Mana. Again, going back to your question, the sacrament of confirmation strengthen the grace that we receive during sacrament.
That's why sacrament is confirmation.
Oh, yeah. So, all the